Here I've got the piece of paper placed on the lyre, 180 grit sandpaper in this case. I'm just doing a final fitting of the bridge. I've got the strings just under loose tension, and I've got the bridge in position. The paper protects the lyre. The sandpaper matches to the shape of the soundboard. So we're just going to gently rock the bridge from side to side. So this has already had one fitting with more coarser sandpaper. This is just to do the final fitting. What we want to make sure is that there's a good contact between the bridge and the soundboard. And that's probably, this is already quite a close fitting bridge. It's probably about right. To remove this, we lift up the paper. We're raising the strings and we're raising the bridge. We're not trying to scratch anything. Okay. Just get the bridge in position. Okay. And what we're looking for is that the string follows all the way in a straight line from the tailpiece to the pin. So we just need to adjust the spacing on here and make sure everything is centered properly. It should be equal amount from here to here on a 7-string lyre. Just a whispered dust there, but that's a good fit. Again, we've got a straight line. It's good. There's no rocking motion when I flex the bridge. There's a good contact between the soundboard and the strings.